Hello dear traders, and welcome one more time to the price action trading course. In this course I will start from the basics and I will build slowly the chart until the moment of the entry. You will learn some more advanced techniques about counter trend lines, about Fibonacci, and especially in this course I will show you a unique way using the Fibonacci which will give you great retracement zones and places to take your profit, and you will learn to follow a strict system. One more time, this is very important in order to avoid the emotions in trading. Now in this course I have selected to use Overbit platform, which is behind me. I'm not connected to the platform in any way, so don't take it as a recommendation. You can use this trading system on any other trading platform where you have the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrencies. You can use it with CFD brokers or anywhere on the exchanges. It's up to you where you want to trade. Of course, for the course I need to select one platform or a broker as with my other courses, but I'm not connected to any of those, so don't take it as a recommendation. I will just introduce you to the Overbit platform during this first lecture because I will be using it along the course. For me, it's very easy to use. I think it is very suitable for beginner traders. It's really not complicated. It has leverage, which is something that gets harder nowadays to trade with leverage, especially the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies. And it is very easy to use it because we have a simple chart with many drawing tools and indicators, so it is simple to use at the same time, and at the same time we have everything that we need. Alright, so now if you look at the big screen, you will see that we have the chart on the left side in the middle. Then we have the market from where we are actually able to buy and sell the asset. On the right side we have the crypto assets that are available for trading, the forex and the metals, and below you have the positions as well. So for the moment I have one trade opened over here, and then on closed positions you can see some closed trades which actually I will demonstrate during the course, and you will see how these trades were opened and closed. And as well we have active orders, order history. So the platform is really simple to use. You can choose the asset you want to trade. So for example, you can trade Ethereum versus the Bitcoin. Then you have the Ripple. And interesting here is that we have as well the forex currency. So for example, you can trade the dollar yen. Now the special thing about Overbit platform is actually that you fund the account with Bitcoins and you are trading with Bitcoins, and as well if you want to withdraw, you withdraw Bitcoin. So this platform is really suitable for the people who actually own Bitcoins and they want to trade with them. So instead of just keeping them and waiting the price to go up, you can trade with these Bitcoins while they are in your account. And on the left side we have the drawing tools, so it's a lot of drawing tools. You can have any lines which we will use, like counter trend lines, whatever you want to draw. Then we have the pitchfork, the different Gantt tools, the Fibonacci's, and many more. You have as well any type of shapes that you might want to place on your trading screen, and much more below, which I'm not going to talk in details. But in our trading system for the price action trading, we will need just the lines, Fibonacci, which I will show you how to use in a different way, and really nothing more special. The indicators you can add from the top. For example, in the course we will be using the envelope, this one over here, but it displays really huge. In the course I will show you different parameters from what comes by default, and as well you will learn how to change the different parameters of the indicators on the platform. Above the platform we have as well the different time frames. So at the current moment we have 1 minute and 15 chart, as well we have the hourly chart and the 4-hour chart and the daily chart. Okay, so you can see what moves the Bitcoin did recently. really aggressive higher, and I will show you exactly how to get on the train, as they said, or where exactly you can join the market. And this is very important, by the way, because many people just buy when they hear some asset is going up or when they hear that the Bitcoin is going up. So they just enter with no reason. And for me, one of the most important things is to learn to take the profit, which many people miss to do, and they are very greedy to wait for more profit. And you should know that it's never one-way ticket on the market. The price just reverses at one moment, so I will teach you how to do that with different indicators. And pretty much this is about the platform. This is the chart. You can play around with it. I will show you step by step how to draw all the analysis that we need for the system, and I will show you how to save different templates from the chart so you don't lose your work. On the right side, we are able to buy and sell the assets from here. We have the leverage, okay, so you can increase your leverage for the people that are really beginners. This means that with leverage we can buy more from what we have into the account. All right, so if you are using, for example, leverage of 50, it means that you can buy 50 times more from what you have into the account. But of course, we never buy with all the capital that we have in the account, because this is very risky, and especially when you trade with leverage, you should be trading with a small percentage from your account. So I'll never suggest you to trade more than 2 to 5% from your account, or let's say to risk more than 2 to 5% from your trading account. Then below you can select the quantity you want to trade. You have the option to add stop, add limit, and then you can execute the order. And something interesting here, if you have open position, is that you have estimated liquidation price. You can read what it says here, but normally it will show you according to what you have in the account and what you opened, where the price should reach, so your trade will be closed, and this is when we are on a loss. And of course I will teach you how to avoid that, and most of all I will teach you how to take the profits quickly and not to wait too long. Alright, so this is pretty much the basic of the Overbit platform. You can play around with it. I will demonstrate the course on a demo account, on a virtual account, and this is very important, because normally what I do, I record my trading, okay, all the trades that I take, all the positions I open and close, but I demonstrate them in my videos over demo accounts, because I really don't want to stimulate anybody for actual trading. It is your own risk, it is your own money, it is your own Bitcoins, and it's up to you if you want to trade on a live account or not. My purpose in this course is to show you the trading system I follow. But one more time, during the videos I will record over a demo account, so nobody accept that as suggestion for live trading. But the trading system that I will teach you, I have used it for quite a long time. I have did really great profits with this system. I hope you will learn it, and of course if you have any questions along the course, don't hesitate to ask me. I will show you step by step how to build the trading chart, how to place the different indicators, and I'm sure by the end of the course you will know where exactly to enter on the market and where to take your profit. Thank you for watching, and I wish you to enjoy the course. Cheers!